you'll see that it's a strip of carpet which is loose, and it's just a beautiful area the entire way around the room that's going to have to be pulled, inspected, and treated. We've flipped the desk. We're going to take a close look at it now, and the first thing you notice, it's got hundreds to thousands of cracks and crevices where the bed bugs could hide. This is the ideal place to use a residual, crack and crevice in all the cracks, and spot treat as many areas as possible. In pointing to these locations, 1, 2, here's another one, another slit, just ideal. The color matches the bed bug, you don't see them. The base of the legs, all 4 legs. The grooves, both the bottom and the inside. The cracks, wherever the 2 pieces of wood come together. Every single spot's got to be treated.